Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Makeup Monday. Today's video is going to be a get ready with me slash Q&A slash unboxing the June Boxycharm. You guys know that I usually like to switch it up, make it fun, and even though today is Makeup Monday, usually we do makeup tutorials, but I was like, you know what? My box is here. I didn't have a chance to film it on Friday. And so what better day than today to unbox it? So I'm going to be answering a few questions that you guys asked me on my Instagram as well as on my Snapchat. I'm going to let you get ready with me because we actually are going out today. My husband is off work and we're going to go have dinner slash lunch. So yeah, we're going to be getting cute together, getting a little bit glam. I'm going to be doing my hair with you guys because I curled it yesterday and now all the curls are gone. So if you want to see what I got in my June Boxycharm, if you want to see me try out all the products and get ready with me, then go ahead and keep on watching. The cat ears are back. I had lost them and I am like useless without my cat ears because I need them every single day. So first things first, let's unbox the Boxycharm, or let's open it up. Well, it's already open. So this theme is a getaway, which is like a little travel type of thing. Super cute. You guys already know the drill. $21 a month, and it's always way over the value of $21 what we get in our box. And then in the back you also get the products listing along with the pricing. The first thing that I see here, I've already opened mine and kind of like looked through it to see what I need to do. So we received this Touch and Soul No Poreblem Prime Essence. It says, let your makeup stay a while with your new Touch and Soul No Poreblem Prime Essence, infused with calendula of flower extract. This primer tightens up your pores, keeping your skin silky smooth. Okay, now this is a MSRP of $23. We have received the Touch and Soul primers before. I actually have mine right here. This is the one that we got last time and I have been obsessed with it, as you guys can see. She is very much loved, so I am excited to try this. Ooh, that sounds very watery. Okay, so once you open it up, this is the little squeezy tube, which is super cute. And this is what it looks like. It's a little like, ooh. I have never seen anything like this. I'm just going to do about 3 little dots, and then we're just going to swipe it all over the skin. Ooh, that doesn't really feel like a primer. It almost feels like a mix of primer essence. I wonder what that means because it feels like a tad bit oily. I'm gonna have to keep an eye on that. So after that, we also received, I'm just gonna go through my box really quickly. We got this Dominique Cosmetics Lemonade Lip Gloss. Add hydrating shine and fullness to your lips with the lightweight, non-sticky balm like lemonade lip gloss by Dominique Cosmetics. The sheer gloss is long-lasting and flexible, so you can wear it alone or layered over your favorite lipstick. This is a MSRP of $17. I did use this yesterday because I was just like way too excited. I am glad that we got this. I did try it, like I said, and I do like it. We also received this Tarte BU Naturally eyeshadow palette packed with 4 shimmer shades and 4 mattes. Your new Tarte BU Naturally palette is everything you need to create endless natural colors, from the frosty cool pinks to the rich bronze and brown tones. This palette will flatter all skin tones while blending smoothly thanks to its Amazonian clay formula. Now, if I haven't said it before, I'm going to say it. I personally am not a fan of Tarte eyeshadows. It's not something that I naturally gravitate towards. This is what the palette looks like. It is a pretty palette, but again, not something that I naturally would gravitate towards. The very last thing that we received is this Steve Laurent Jelly Highlighter. This is a jelly highlighter formula that is bouncy, lightweight, blendable, water resistant, and so fun to use. Watch it glide on with ease using your favorite brush, or simply dab it on with your finger for an effortless glow. And actually the last thing that I have here is this Dirty Little Secret lip liner, smooth and creamy. This Dirty Little Secret lip liner is here to help you create the perfect pout. My shade is pale pink. You guys know that I live for lip liners. Now this is a little bit dry. It feels a little dry. I'm not gonna lie, it's that one right there, but we're still going to use her. And this has an MSRP of $15, and if I didn't say, the jelly highlighter has an MSRP of $26. Let's jump right into the foundation. Obviously we didn't get any foundations, or we don't get foundations with Boxycharm, so I'm just going to use my Il Makiage foundation in the shade 35. I'm telling you guys, I've been using this for almost 2 months straight, and I just can't get enough. I love the way my skin looks. It looks so flawless. The first question I am going to answer, somebody asked, does all the beauty guru drama ever make you want to stop YouTube? I'm going to take off my hoops really quick because they're definitely going to get in the way. And no, it never makes me want to quit YouTube at all. I honestly hate to see all the drama go on, because then my news is flooded with drama this and drama that, and man, I almost feel bad for the people that go through that, because you know, the more that you are exposed, the more people tend to give their opinion when it's not needed. I've told my man this many times, you know, if that's what it's like to have fame and, you know, like have your name be put out there, like I want nothing to do with that, because I am not one to start drama. I don't like to be in drama. I don't like confrontations. Like that is just not me at all. And seriously, like all these people that get constantly dragged or canceled, I don't know how they do it. That's why I mind my own business. I stay in my own lane and I just do what I gotta do. Like my YouTube channel is for you guys. It's all about you and what you like to see. The content that I provide for you guys has nothing to do with, you know, other people's business or other people's drama. I stay far away from that as much as I can. I can tell you right away that I have a feeling this primer is going to make me oily just by applying my foundation. I have a feeling, and it's not a good one. Really quickly, I am going to apply my concealer. I'm also going to do a little bit of baking. I do still love the Juvia's concealer. I literally have been using it every day, and I haven't noticed any breakouts from this. Maybe because I'm only applying it underneath my eyes, but I do tend to drag it down a bit, so I'm not sure. I'm really scared of trying the foundation again, the Juvia's foundation again. Like, yeah, my skin takes forever to like recover once something breaks me out. I swear it loves to cling on to like, you know, like all the nasty gunk that the foundation made me get, if it was a foundation. I'm going to be setting underneath my eyes with my Hourglass Veil Translucent Setting Powder. I've heard so many good things about it, and I just could not get myself to purchase like the full one because A, it's a little bit expensive, and I was like, I don't need it, but I want to try it, so I just bought this little like mini size. I think it was like 20 bucks. I like it so far. It makes my under eyes look so insanely smooth. Ooh. I'm going to answer a few more questions while I do a little bit of contouring and bronzing using these two products. I will have everything linked down below. If I don't mention it in the video, yeah, it will be down below. And if I forget, you guys can ask me. So the next question is, have you started planning your wedding, or do you have a date yet? And oh my God, no, you guys. So if you don't know, or if you haven't seen, I am engaged. I've been with my man. We've been together for 7 years. It's been 7 years. In May 13th is our anniversary. And we got engaged last year in October, if I am correct. And we have not really even talked about getting married, which is like kind of weird. What we are trying to do is, I mean, I'm not a person, I'm not that type of girl that wants like a super big wedding. What we both want to do is we just want to go to the courthouse and have a very simple wedding. Nothing crazy, you know, just a little yes I do, yes we do, get married type of thing, and then maybe go out with friends and family and have dinner together. My mom is actually coming back from Mexico. She is going to be here at the end of August because one of my cousins, quinceañera, will be in September. And obviously she wants to be here for the pachanga. And so what I was thinking is just waiting until my mom gets here and for us to go get married in the courthouse and my mom be a witness, because if you guys don't know, she lives in Mexico. Maybe I said that already, but she does live in Mexico, so she's not able to be here for a lot of things. Unfortunately, she did miss out, you know, me getting pregnant, her being here for my pregnancy, which was such a hard time for me. I went through it, you guys. I went through it so hard. Yes, we are planning to get married. Like I said, nothing crazy, nothing big. Just a simple little wedding, and maybe down the road, I would love to save some money, like a good chunk of money, and have a nice wedding through the church. But yeah, that's definitely down the road. Let's apply the highlighter again. This is the highlighter from Boxycharm. This is called Cotton Candy, and I'm just going to use my little Morphe M510. Okay, this is definitely going to apply a lot better with my fingers. I can tell you that right away because of the formula. Wow, that's pretty. All right, girl, I went ahead and snatched my nose. Like, can I breathe? Just kidding. Okay, so let's see. Next question is, how did you get started on YouTube? While I answer more questions, I'm just going to dig into my Tarte shape, or what's it called? Tarte something? Tarte. I'm going to go in with this really cute pink. Who is she? So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and do that, or I'm going to pick up that pink. Wow, these are powdery, the house. I'm going to drag that all over the crease. So how did I get started, girl? How did I get started on YouTube? So I've been on YouTube for a few years now. I started, girl, do you see all that powder? I started my YouTube channel in 2013, like late 2013. I started my channel really because I wanted to do something on the side besides, you know, being home, taking care of my little one. My daughter was born in 2013, so she was tiny at that time. And my boyfriend was the one, my husband, my fiance, my sugar daddy, my baby daddy. He's the one that pushed me to start my YouTube channel. He actually surprised me with my first camera, which was the Canon T3i. But yeah, I literally just started by uploading my first video. I think it's still on my channel if you guys want to see it. It is cringy. Like what I was wearing, the way I was talking, is just cringy all over. But yeah, I uploaded my first video. It was a review on the BH Cosmetics little blush duos that are old. And from there, it just went on, you know. I don't remember how often I was uploading back then, but I was definitely not a consistent sister as I am now. And the rest is history. Next question is, how long have you known your man and how did you guys meet? So I kind of answered that question already. We've been together for 7 years. We actually met, so we've known each other technically since high school. I don't like to say that we're high school sweethearts because we never talked in high school. Fast forward to a few years later after we graduated high school. I'm actually 2 years older than him. He pretty much messaged me on Facebook and we started talking. And yeah, things just went from there. I'm going to go in, I think, with this shade right here, the deepest shade, and I'm just going to throw it into the crease. The next question is, how did you start your channel and how much of an impact has been made on your life? Also, how did you get so good at makeup? Thank you. So I've already answered though how I started my channel. Now, how has it impacted my life? Honestly, I think this has been one of the best choices that I've made besides having my daughter. I love it. It's opened so many doors for me. It's made me grow so much as a person. I feel like it's also made me mature a lot, you know, like being or putting your life out in the internet, like it makes you reevaluate your life. I'm so happy that I took this journey and that I'm still on this journey. I still have a lot to accomplish, like so much more. There's so much more things that I want to do. That's not even a word, so much more. There's a lot more things that I want to do with this channel, you know, and I can't wait for us to grow and for me to be able to make this like really a full-time job and one day support my entire family. But I love what I've learned so far. I love the friends that I've made. I love the partnerships that I've made with brands. It's really such a blessing. I'm going to go back now, and I think I'm going to take this shade right here, this golden shade, and I'm just going to sweep it all over the lids. I'm just going to spritz my little brush a little bit. Next question is, how has being a mom affected you as a woman? And being totally honest with you guys, becoming a mom has probably been the biggest blessing that I could have ever expected. Before I had my daughter, I was a hot mess. I was a hot mess, you guys. I was living with my sister. I was barely making ends meet. Like, I was living paycheck by paycheck because I was just so unorganized and so bad with my money financially. I was struggling. You know, I was in a bad place. I don't want to go into too much detail, but it definitely made my life, you know, it turned it around in such a positive way. She changed me. She made me mature. She made me grow. She made me learn to be a better person. Obviously, my man had a lot to do with that too, because I feel like even though he is younger than me, he was always a lot more mature. He had a good head on his shoulders, and he's always provided for me, which I can be, you know, I can't complain about that. Oh my god, this eyeshadow is so chalky. Do you guys see all that bunched up? Ugh. Okay, I think this is the last question that I'm going to answer because we are getting close to the end of the video and me finishing my makeup. So the last question I'm going to answer is, do you plan to give your daughter a sibling? Is it hard being a mom, wife, and a YouTuber at the same time? Oh my god, you guys. So I've been kind of trying to keep this down low, like on the low. But since you asked, I'm going to let you know. About 3 weeks ago, I went to the doctor and I got my IUD taken out. So me and my man are, I just call him my husband. It's so much easier to call him that. So if you guys get confused, I'm sorry. So we are currently trying to get pregnant. And I cannot wait, you guys. I hope I get pregnant very soon because I want my mom to be here and see me with my belly. So I will definitely let you guys know once I get pregnant. I will share that with you. Off camera, I'm just going to apply some lashes. These are Michelle by Lash Kitty. And again, you can use my discount code OMGLashes to save you 20% off. I'm going to apply the lip liner. I hope this doesn't rip my lips because this was so dry. Yeah, no, this is a no-go for me, sorry. And then to top things off, I'm going to go in with my Kristen Dominique lip gloss. This is in the shade Peach Tea. Not sure if everyone got the same shade, but this is the shade that I got. So I really wanted to do my hair here on camera with you guys, but I am being hurried up because we are actually about to leave. We have to meet my sister and her man so we can go all have dinner together. So that is it, you guys. These were all the products that I received in my Boxycharm. Honestly, I feel like this has been one of the most disappointing boxes that we've gotten so far. I wasn't a fan of a lot of things. So the total for this month's box is $117 versus what you pay, which is $21. Totally worth it. But then again, the products in this month wasn't that good. I love this though. So I hope you guys enjoyed this get ready with me / Q&A / unboxing my June Boxycharm. Let me know what you guys thought of your box. Do you like it? Do you hate it? Are you neutral about it? Thank you guys for joining me. I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah. Bye.